Okay, so here at SolarEdge, we offer a complete solution. From optimizers and smart panels, we have our home hub, our Genesis, and our three-phase inverters, the battery, our backup interface for single phase, more on three-phase backup later, our home EV charger, and everything clicks together in the SolarEdge app. We also now offer our hot water controller, our home smart switch, our load controller, and inline meters. These all communicate wirelessly with the inverter on the SolarEdge home network. But product development doesn't stop there. When we're looking at our inverters that we're shipping over the last couple of years, we've also done major changes under the hood. They've been completely rebuilt to give us the most reliable inverters we've ever made. They've got great protection against voltage spikes that we see commonly in Australia. We're also using automotive capacitors that are tested up to 125 degrees Celsius. We have a whole new board design inside the inverters for greater redundancies, and we've also improved our voltage control firmware. All of this means that our inverters are now some of the most rock solid in the industry and giving us the sort of solutions that we really expect to see from a world leader with SolarEdge. Now, when it comes to our three-phase products, we've also updated the software at long last to provide battery capability on our SE10K, 8K, 5K AUB inverters. So what this means is we can then maximize self-consumption. We have a direct DC connection into the inverter with an eNet card. Now, this is not a multi-mode inverter, so there is no backup functionality with this solution. If they want backup on a three-phase site, we offer that via the trade-up solution. We'll talk about that during the promos section. Now, from a integration piece, we're talking about one battery per inverter, standard oversizing up to 135%, with eNet communication, and this is live right now in setup. I've already been on a couple of installs with this. We're hoping that in the new year, we'll then move to a second stage of integration where we will be able to support multiple batteries per inverter, leader-follower connections, RS485 connections, and increased oversizing to really get as many panels on the roof with these inverters to take advantage of the DC-coupled battery. Now, before I move away from this inverter, a common comment that comes up in the market is people go, is this the same old three-phase inverter that has the two strings that have to go around it? And the answer is no. When we released the AUB model of our three-phase inverters a little over a year and a half ago, this is a complete redesign of our three-phase residential inverters, and it means that you have almost identical flexibility on three-phase SolarEdge as you do with single-phase. The only difference is slightly longer string lengths. On a single-phase inverter, our minimum string lengths with a standard optimizer would be 8, like an S440. On a three-phase, it's a minimum string length of 9. And the maximum power per string is 5625 on these products. However, you can still go to 6800 watts on the 5s and the 10s with our single string design rules.